What is up, guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we're back beefy beef. We're playing Restaurant Tycoon 2. So let's get into it. Last time we made this restaurant over here, we got a little bar stool. I'm going to edit all of this, just letting you guys know. Yeah. Perfect. And here. Perfect. So here, actually, wait. So we'll move this here for now. And we'll have that in the middle, and then we'll have this there. Nice. You would like food? By the way, guys, I'm thinking of getting a chef here, which is so 200. I have to do a lot of work to get that much money. So let's get on with this. Yep. 22. Some nuggets, chicken. I'm gonna wait till everyone's full, probably. I'll give it like 10 seconds. 10. Nah, no one's coming in. And then they literally come in. Tap, right, tap, wait. This is gonna be like a quick video, hopefully. And get like 15 minutes of this. Then we might do another one after. Tap, left, down. Then wait a second. Tap, left, right, left, right. Right, down. You just wait. Any like people in this server who are good? Probably. Right, tap, wait. And this tap, right tap, wait, and then tap rapidly. Tap rapidly, and wait again, and tap. And your table for 2 is there. You wanted the nachos. You wanted the spring rolls. Take your orders. You wanted the chicken wings. You wanted this, and you wanted that. Cook. Left, down. It's kind of annoying how you have to wait. Spin. Right, right, down. And last but not least, down. And now tap, left, down. Spin your finger. Right, and wait. Now wait. Okay, so most people are already done. Wow. Alright, done. You wanted the fish and chips? Let's collect, and collect. These, you want them, and you want them. Waiting for them to finish. Who eats pizza with a knife and fork? Weirdo. I like how I'm like washing my hands. By the way, guys, leave a like, subscribe. Hope you're all staying safe and healthy during these hard times. And yeah. Okay, that's 6, 7, 8 orders. You can only take 5 at a time. Down. That's annoying. Spin. Left, right, down. And then wait a little bit. and down and left, down. Spin your finger. Go right. Spin your finger. Go left, right, left, right, left, right, and then go right, and then go down. You have to wait a little bit because you're making more cheese pizza instead of pepperoni, and this time slide down. Then this time you gotta slam your finger, then go right, then go down. Then you gotta wait a little longer because we're making some BBQ ribs this time. And then, yeah, I don't really know where to start down. Stop left, right, left, right, left, right. Then I'll make some sponge cakes. So left, down. Then also spin your finger. And then after that, you're going to have to go down. Then you're going to have to spin your finger again, by the way. And then you got to go right, and then just down. And just, yeah. Like, you know, like sponge cakes. The next one's BBQ ribs. And yeah, now it's like left, right, left, right, left, right. So with the BBQ ribs, we're going to slam the screen again. Let right, down. Yeah, that's all I have to say about BBQ ribs. And then down, and then left, right, left, right, left, right. Save Christmas before the day's end. And I want a bonus in money. Left, down. Spin your finger, spin your finger. Right, wait. After you swipe down. This is a good game. I wish I could just get more money though. Like I wish I could like buy lots of money, not just a tiny bit. And when I say that, like I wish it wasn't so much Robux. It's really expensive for like the tiniest bit of money. So game, if you're watching, you should definitely make it cheaper. Like this is it's quite a lot. Hey, promotion. Wait, I'll show you after if it comes in time. Oh no, it won't because I have to wait again. Oof, sponge cakes though. Sponge cakes are long. Cheeseburger. Left, right. Yep, here, day 2 complete. A level 11. 191. Let's go, daily 3. Daily 3, what? You wanted this, and you wanted this, sir. Collect your dishes. I will. And now I will also collect your money. Take that. Well, you want more? My gosh, greedy. Okay, this right down. This is like probably one of the faster ones. Okay, left down. Spin your finger, spin your finger down. Spin your finger right. Tap, wait. Yeah, pancakes, they're not my favorite. Don't even like them really. Oof. Give for 2 for you. Collect your dishes. I will collect your money, and I will collect more money. And you would like table for 2 for you. Wait a second. If they give us money, we might be able to get a chef. They give us like 47 food tip, maybe. 2 would be nice. Food boxes. Drinks, okay. A tea, okay. 50, you are the best customers. I just got a chef. 5 more dishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 4. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. There's only 4. Tap, left, right, left, right, left, right. Tap, left, right, down. I can't believe I'm going to have a chef. No, literally. And this time it's probably going to be buying a chef. Dun. Yay. I wish a chef could also like be a waiter at some points in time, you know what I'm saying? Like while he's not cooking. Oof though. Oof. I'm gonna make like a massive table if we can have enough money. Not now, obviously. We're probably gonna try and get a waiter as well actually, right now, in this video. We're not going to be able to. Like, 200 cash is a lot of money. Tap, right, tap. Tap, left, spin. And left, right, left, right, left, right. Then next you want it here. And I have 4 monies. That's good. Got my car out there. What would you like to order? I'll give you 5 seconds before I'm kicking you out of the restaurant. 5. Good for you. You're gonna be alive. What the heck? Whoa, guys. Oh, this is awesome. I'm putting garlic bread and stuff. This is good. Do you want the garlic bread? Go, go, go. Pumpkin pie for you, grilled corn, and sushi roll for you, and onion rings for you. They should be giving me money now. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. I said give me your money. I'll give you 5 seconds to give me money before I'm kicking you out. 5, 4, 3, 2. 50 cash isn't not enough money, but I'll take it because it's all I can have. I will make this chef cook. Yes, please. Go, little chef. He's fast, but not as fast as me. When the next customers come in, wow, perfect timing. Table 3 for ye. That was cringy. He's like, what the heck is bleeding? Ouch. Guess what would you like to eat? I'm going to cook as well. Two more things. When this guy makes one more ramen noodles, who wanted the ramen? Was it you? Yes, it was you. I will cook 2, 3, 4. I'll just cook all 5. Left down. Let you don't cook faster. Well, he only has 3 left, but you know. He's already done 1. Right down. Yeah, his like goes faster, I think. His like spinny. Low. Left down. Spin my finger. Right now, I'm literally spinning my finger even before it says that. Spinning my finger. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Right down. Wait longer. Wait for longer. Inside. Tap, 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 tap. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, tap. Wait. Then you are going to have to tap again. Left, right, left, right, left, right. We're making a lot of things right now. Does this thing even fill up or something? Right, tap, wait a little bit. Oh, and then when you make tomato soup, you have to tap and then go right and then right, left again, sorry, left. And done. 6. You were the one who wanted the tomato soup. You wanted the dumpling. You wanted the bolognese. You wanted the pizza. You wanted this and you wanted that. So, you guys done? You guys better be done soon. You making my chef wait. How are you, evil? What are you, evil? Tables. I'm going to save up for 100. Wait. I'm saving up for 150. And once I have done that, once I've got 150, I'm gonna save up for like, I don't know, another 150. So basically, I'm just saving up for 300. Yep, you make my money. Okay. Day 3 complete already. Wow, that's interesting. Wait a second. If I was to go on chairs by this one, go like here and like here and here and here. Oh no. If I want to buy more money, how much can I get? See, only 250 for 75. I know, like, this game wants money like I do on my games. But, like, I never asked for 75 Robux for 250 cash. Like, that's just weird, you know? I wanted the pizza, you wanted the pizza. We're going to go somewhere else while we wait. Wait, no, when we get every single table, like, eating. Yeah. Hopefully you're done. You just wanted one big course and then you pay for like me like 70. Would be good. Dude, be fast, please. Now you're done, right? Yep, you're done. And the next food should be ready. The next table, sorry. And you people would like, what would you like? Table for 3, table for 2. Good. Going to table for 2. There, there. 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 Probably should. If you can hear my brother, just ignore it. I'm gonna wait actually for them orders. The garlic bread is ready. Guess we'll just wait till everyone's done eating here. And yeah, more money. 2, 3, and here. Oh my gosh, oof. 3. Okay. 2 dishes. Table for 2. Collect your dishes, and then when everyone wants to order something, we will leave. We want this, 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 this. We want this, this, and this. Now, come on. Let's go check out any other people. Whoa. That's a big one. Lol. Mercury, okay. They got money. Can I take your money? My brother's up here, by the way. Hopefully he doesn't hear me, so it might interrupt the video. But I mean, that will make the video better, right? Hopefully. It's big. Whoa. That's what I'm going to be getting, guys. Table for 8. I'm getting money. Lol. Is there any more tables you can get than, like, bigger than 8? That would be awesome if there was. You know what I'm saying? Like a table for 8, you could get bigger. Like, you get a table for 16. Table for 9 would be good. Or 12, sorry. Table for 12. I'll definitely get that. Tables. The biggest table you can get is actually... Aww. I want this. Aww. I want that, though. But it costs like 700 Robux, right? Or 800. Well, let's see. So it costs... No idea, who cares? Food boxes. Quiche, I like that. Egg tart, I don't like that. Last one. Italian salad, I hate that. Let's get some drinks. Apple juice, nice. What was that? Weird. Pineapple juice. Come get like some Coke in here. Grape juice, nope. Not what I wanted. Whoa. Where's this even going? I want to see where this goes when he's done with it. It's not going to fit on. Where's it going to go? What? No, we have to see this extend further. We have to. I mean, we can't not wait and see this. Oh my god. There's going to be floating plates. Guys, have you ever seen floating food on a plate? Well, now you have. You're going to be seeing that very soon. Wait a second. Kitchen. You can buy more of them. Not gonna, though. Wait a second. You can buy a tip jar. Oh. Oh, he needs to make... Where's the burger guy? Who want a burger? Cheeseburger. Oh wait, he auto deliver. There's a little life hack for you guys. He auto delivers to you if there's no more room. Mac and cheese. Okay, so they are gonna finish first. So I'm gonna wait here, then go over to that table, then that table, then that table. What does it say? The Wicket or something like that. Okay, guys, we're probably gonna end the video off here. So, guys, yeah, I'm gonna go outside my shop, and then the video will do second episode. So, guys, day 4 completed. Yep. So, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you've all really enjoyed, and goodbye. See you in the next part.